Hello everyone and welcome on the stream. So let's get started with today's analysis and trades. So I haven't looked at the chart for the day, the whole day. I did not look at the chart. Let's start some music and then we will start our analysis. Let's start our analysis and see what we have today in the market. I think this is the opening price for the day, and I can also see the market has already reached this place, meaning we don't have any more bias. There is that. So we have to look for another areas of interest. That's our dog. Let's mark it properly. Hi. And it's Friday already. Well, tell me one thing. After you came to trading, do you notice that time pass like very fast? Like its time passes like very fast. Monday starts, then Friday comes in like no time, and the Saturday and Sunday feels like a whole month. Let me know if you have seen what happened, if you have been experiencing such anomalies with yourself. Well, we have taken out the liquidity, the most obvious liquidity. The next target would be this one, and here's the trade from yesterday. Okay, so as we can see, the market has been gyrating in this range for the whole day, and what I think today will happen is either we go and take out this major buy side liquidity, or move down and take down the major sell side here, then start a rally back up for the new all-time highs. And right now, for the buy side liquidity, this one is still valid. Believe me or not, this buy side liquidity is still valid. But sadly, we don't have any trades till now. I'm just marking sell side liquidities and buy side liquidities because these lines help me get a clear direction of my market, because without these lines, trading for me is very difficult. By the way, did you see my funded futures offer on loyalty program? You can get a free account like 25k, 50k. I tried to claim one, but my payment did not process. I got an error saying my address length is more than 50 characters, and when I tried crypto, it said inactive session, so I was not able to purchase the my funded futures account. By the way, as you can see, I have new code CSMT, that is capital SMT. So if you are going to buy an account, use my code, the new code, not the old one. And here we have to wait till we get any opportunity to get in either side of the trade. Let's see how much point is this one. This is a clear 91 points, but we don't have any kind of setups that we can use to get long. If we can get a body candle close above, I would like to see something like this, but for that we need a body candle close. Then we take out this high, come down to mitigate this inversion fair value gap. We use this inversion fair value gap to get into longs and target the next liquidity. But for that we need a body candle close above this. Remember, this is not a valid market structure shift. If you don't have a body candle close, then that is not a valid market structure shift. You can see this happening here. We got a higher price than this high, but market structure shift did not happen because we did not get a body candle close, and then the market just came down. If you are willing to take a trade here, I will say stop, don't take the trade. We don't have confirmation. Even if it works, it will just give you a bad kick of getting into trades without confirmation. Yesterday we had patience. We kept patience for nearly an hour plus. And only after that we got a trade setup. But the question is, are we going to still wait to get a price? Are we still going to wait for the price to come back and mitigate this inversion fair value gap? Now that we have already mitigated it once, I will say yes. And now that we have got a body candle close, we finally can use this one. The stop loss will be previous candle's low. Okay, and we can go for this. That's the highest and the most major liquidity right now. We can do something like this as well. But if you want to take entry right now, you can, but I won't suggest anything like you will get a profit or something like that, because I don't guarantee anything like that. It's all upon you. It's all your risk. We are quite close to a fill. Keep your losses small. I mean, in the risk you are going to do in this trade, keep it small. Don't risk a big amount thinking this is a big RR, I will win big. Also, don't do that. Keep small RR. Keep small risk and take small wins. I told you to take small risk, right? I hope you have done that. Big risks won't work. Small risk will do.
Also, I just looked at the viewers. 369.
Well, something amazing happening on PropFirms TV. We have some CEOs live there. I would love to see that. I would love to see that stream. I can have that open in background. I am interested in seeing Blue Guardian CEO Cyan. I like Blue Guardians. Like, their plans are really good, and my funded futures as well, and funded futures family. Well, the market is kind of giving me chills now. It should have already ripped up higher. It's taking too much time here. When is the macro? We already are in the macro time frame. Can you see this structure? We are creating a lot of liquidities for the buy side. All these are buy side liquidities, and we have this fair value gap as the point of interest to repel the prices towards the long side. So I'm just hoping that market will take out these liquidities, and in the process it will send the prices to the upside. There was one thing to worry about right here, that is this opening price of the day. Market could have come and touched this, and as you can see, it did try to come and touch the end dog, but we have put our stop loss below that. That is a good security, but we got stopped out. Well, after 2 winning streams, we have a loss. Let's see, is there any volume balance here? Let me see. The closing price is 214 even. Opening price 214 quarter, meaning there is a volume balance, meaning we can use the wick in this fair value gap. So we are still inside the inversion fair value gap according to that, but I am not willing to take any trades now. Poor guy. 8657. Hello mate, welcome on the stream. I mean, we can still go long again, but I don't want to take any more trades today. Not in this setup. Although the setup is still valid. This setup is still valid, but I don't want to take this trade anymore because I just had a losing trade. Well, if there are going to be any trades, then they are going to be sells now. I'm just waiting for a body candle close below this inversion fair value gap. One inversion fair value gap will decide the fate of this trade. Remember, the wicks are allowed to do the damage, and it has done the damage. Come on, man. It would have been better. But I am kind of shocked to see the market is really that illiquid. The market should have been going up or down very rapidly. Well, like the stream, brothers. Like, I am getting temptation to go in again. I am really getting temptations to get in this trade again, but I'm not going to. I know this trade will work. I am sure of that. I'm totally sure of that, but I don't want to get into this trade anymore. Well, it's going in our direction now, finally. Finally, it's going in our direction now. And we are not in this trade anymore. Well, let's see our risk to reward points. We risk 23 points. Well, that is heck small of a risk, man. for a total of 128 points. I will say that is heck of a small loss. Well. This is a very long target in a long direction. We are just going to sit down and watch the price do stuff, because we aren't going to take any more trades today. None. Simply none. If I were impulsive, I would have taken this trade again, because if we did not get a body candle close below the shaded area. But I am not in this trade anymore. Neither should you be. Okay? A loss. It's something a loss. Then when you have a loss, just say, oh god, I got a loss, and move on. The price is really hanging out today, like really hanging out. It should have at least gone either way by now, but since it is not doing anything, we won't do anything. For us to do anything, the market must do something. Well, we got nothing. It's just University Michigan sentiment. What a city experience, man. Where to look for, what to look for. Well, we do have some setups to go sort, which is validated here, but I'm not taking it cause I don't have enough margin anymore to take the trades. Not enough space in the account. There we go, we are falling, and once we reach this place we are going to get a nosedive. A big nosedive is coming. Would you like to get an entry using CISD? I am feeling like losing right now. I am really feeling like losing this trade, like missing out. the trade opportunity. But I say one thing, I am not interested in any more trades, and we will meet again tomorrow. I mean Monday. So bye bye. Take care of yourselves and meet you on Monday.